Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu says, we accompanied by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam fought the battle of Najd, and he was overtaken by the time of nap in a valley abound in the thorny trees. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam dismounted under the shade of a tree and hung his sword on it. The companions too dispersed in all directions seeking shade. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam after some times called us, so we reached near him to see a desert Arab sitting beside him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when I was asleep, he came near me, he took off my sword, so I woke up to see him standing beside my head. He, pointing the sword towards me, said, who will save you from me? I said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So he put the sword in the scabbard and sat down. Now here he is sitting, but Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not mete any punishment to him. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4139.